Dangote Refinery IPO. Why investors should position now. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down one of the most anticipated financial events in Africa's history. The Dangote Refinery IPO, the first Nigerian listing that may pay dividends in US dollars. This is big. Let's get into it. Number 1. What's happening? The Dangote Refinery, Africa's largest and most advanced refinery, is preparing to list about 5 to 10% of its shares on the Nigerian exchange in 2026. This is not just another listing. This is a $25 billion industrial giant going public, with massive implications for investors, the stock market, and Nigeria's economy. And here's the groundbreaking part. You buy shares in Naira, but you earn dividends in US dollars. No company on the NGX has ever offered this. Number 2, why dollar dividends matter. Dollar dividends change everything. They protect you from Naira volatility. They attract global investors who normally avoid local currency risk, and the refinery can afford it, because it's expected to generate about $6.4 billion annually from exports: diesel, jet fuel, polypropylene, fertilizers, petrochemicals. This is not a local petrol station business. This is an export engine with hard currency cash flow. Number 3. Will it be the biggest IPO? Let's be clear. Globally, no. It won't beat Saudi Aramco or Alibaba, but in Africa, absolutely. This could become the single biggest IPO ever recorded on the continent. If the float is valued at $2 to $3 billion, it will shatter every African IPO record. This is why global funds, oil analysts, and institutional investors are paying attention. Number 4. Why investors should position early. $1 income stream. A Naira-listed stock paying US dollar dividends is a built-in hedge against devaluation. 2. Industrial cash flow. The refinery is already exporting products with plans to scale production to over 1 million barrels per day. 3. Scarcity premium. Only 5 to 10% of the refinery will be available to the public. Low float, jar, higher demand, jar, potential price premium. 4. Global capital coming. Once foreign funds join the party, entry prices may rise. 5. Portfolio diversification. For retail and institutional investors, this is rare exposure to a real, productive, hard currency generating industrial asset in Africa. This is the kind of stock you hold for income, stability, and long-term capital appreciation. In conclusion, this IPO will not be the biggest in the world, but it may be the most important in Africa for a generation. If Nigeria gets this right, it could redefine the Nigeria Stock Exchange, attract billions in offshore capital, and create a new model for listing high-value industrial assets. I am Stockman. I make sure you're informed so you can position early and ready. If you found this analysis valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone serious about investing in Nigeria and Africa. Thank you.